Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add interest on your LinkedIn profile. So here you can see on LinkedIn profile, if you scroll down, so here you can see the interest has been displayed here. But how you can add this interest? You can add simply by searching any subject on your LinkedIn. So you can follow the page of particular niche, or you can follow the some person who are into some some subjects, like if you want to if you want to follow the YouTube, or you have to want to digital marketing, so you have to follow particular something page or group regarding the digital marketing. So here there is no any option to add manually interest in your LinkedIn page. So the LinkedIn interest will come by default. Okay, so here you can see I have searched something. I follow the Google, I follow the you know uh, this is my license. Okay, I work in YouTube. This is my activities, and you can see I search something here. Okay, so you have to search something like, if you want to make Google's to interest, just go to Google's. Okay, I had network problem. We search the Google, and you can follow the Google's here. Okay, so just follow, and there is okay. So here, if you click on Google, you're already following it, and you will also see like recent job opening, anything, or any life of Google. You can like post, okay, a particular page or group, and just come to the Google. Okay, your profile, click on your profile, and let's see Google are added or not. It's take time. Yeah, you can see Google has been added. So you have to follow the some groups or pages to add interest. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.